Hello all, welcome to Automation Tidbits. This channel is to address the different issues occurred while executing the automation code. So I request you to like, share, and subscribe my channel to get more updates to your inbox. And uh, today's topic is uh, an error which normally occurs in the Eclipse IDE, something like Java was started but returned exit code equal to 13. So this is very usual issue which occurs when you try to open Eclipse IDE. Let me show you an example how exactly the error will look like. For example, if you go to next slide, I'm showing you an error where I'm getting like Java started but returned exit code equal to 13. Or maybe you can get one more error, something like this. Uh, something like this. So whenever you get these kind of errors, the first thing that you have to do is that you need to check what is the version of what is the Java version and what is the Eclipse version installed in my machine. So for that, for example, if you have installed a 64-bit operating system, generally we install 64-bit Java, and if a 64-bit Java is installed, and we have to make sure that a 64-bit Eclipse IDE to be downloaded from the eclipse.org site. But generally, if you have installed a 64-bit Java and if you are trying to open a 32-bit Eclipse IDE which doesn't match, then usually you get these kind of errors. But apart from those things, we can also try one more option where we go to the Eclipse folder where eclipse.exe file is present, and under that there will be one more initialization file called eclipse.ini file. For example, if you are seeing this, eclipse.ini file will be present. Open that eclipse ini file, and first of all, what you need to know is that where exactly your Java file is present. For example, um, where exactly your Java file is present in the sense that you need to see where your Java installation is present. For example, in um, in my local drive under C colon under program files, under that Java is present here, and then I go to JDK 1.8.0 and I go to bin. I see that Java W is present under this path. I'll copy this particular path and paste uh, along with the VM option, -VM option. So this -VM option should always come before VM args option. For example, uh, I've taken an example of eclipse.ini, how it looks like. If you see this, you have something called -VM followed by the Java w.exe path, the absolute path. And this VM option is present before -VM args option. So supposing that you have installed a JDK version of 32-bit JDK version, then what you have to do is that you need to go to a command prompt. You need to give C colon program files under 86. Java might be present under this particular folder, and you need to go instead of program files, you need to put program files x86 option, and then you need to give the path. So for example, if you see in my machine, I have this particular version of Eclipse Win32, Win32, 86, 64 version, and the Java version which is present in my machine is 1.8. and in this I have given minus hyphen VM followed by my JW, java w.exe path, the absolute path I have given. And when I try to go to my Eclipse folder and click on Eclipse, Eclipse IDE Photon will be opening. I'm using Colon Automation Tidbits as my workspace. Clicking on launch, it's loading all the required plugins. Finally, my Eclipse IDE will be opened. So this is the common error generally which occurs every time. Uh, but what I have seen is in Windows 7, I've seen this issue. In Windows 8.1, I've seen this issue, but not in Windows 10 operating system. So just have a look into your machines, what kind of operating system you have installed. If it is Windows 8.1, definitely you might get this kind of issue. And here's how you need to uh, resolve the issue. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye bye.